You can go up to like 5-year-old kids and ask them, what do you want to be when you grow up? And literally they'll tell you, I want to be a YouTuber. And I'm just like, what? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vanessa. She back and she better. So as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be talking about how you guys can start a YouTube channel, a music YouTube channel on YouTube. And I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks. And if you guys hear some nasally voice, that's because I'm sick. So if that bothers you, I am really sorry. I can't do anything about my sickness. So if you guys are interested in knowing the tips and tricks of starting a music YouTube channel, then you have come to the right video. And yeah, before we get started, make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because that would be awesome. So please subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get started into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing that you need to know before you start your YouTube channel is the content that you're gonna put out. This is very important because the content that you put out is going to make you the money. You know what I mean? So since we're talking about making a music YouTube channel, it's pretty straightforward that you're gonna do something related to music. So if you are a vocalist like me, you can start off by doing YouTube covers, because YouTube covers are the easiest thing to do. If you guys don't know how to record YouTube covers, you guys can watch my videos. I teach like tutorials. I do tutorials on how to record YouTube covers, so definitely go check them out. I'll link it up here. But starting with a YouTube cover video is really easy. You just need to search up and just look up what is the most famous song that is out there right now. The song that people are constantly searching, people are constantly wanting to hear different renditions. You are going to want to record that really quick because timing is crucial, and I am very bad at that. Like whenever a new song comes out, I just take my own time to learn it, and by the time I post it, it's just like it's dying down already. So you have to post it when it is hot, when it is trending. You gotta post that because that would get you the views, and the views will get you the subscribers, and then it goes on. You know what I mean? So to start your your music YouTube channel, you need to know what content you want to put out. So let's say you're not a vocalist, you are a producer. Probably you make beats, you make music literally on a DAW or on a music software, right? You can put out content like tutorials teaching people how to do that. Since you are so good at making beats, you can teach people how to do that. If you don't mind sharing. If you do mind sharing, then it's a little tough because YouTube is all about sharing what you know. It's about knowledge. If you're trying to do a music channel though, if you're trying to do like a prank video, like you don't have to share stuff, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you're like a producer, like just think of what content do you want to put out. Do you want to tutor people how to do what you do, or do you just want to like put out your original beats for people to listen to? You need to think of like contents that people are attracted to, contents that people are searching every day. You can't just put out what you want to put out because you are just starting out and people don't know you. So you have to put out something that everyone is searching for in order for people to discover you, in order for people to find your channel. Because if you're just posting what you want to post, people are not going to be able to find you because like that's not the hot topic, you know what I mean? So make sure you are posting something that everyone is searching pretty much on demand. Okay, that is going to get you the views, that is going to push your video to do better. So content checked. So now number 2 you have to focus on is consistency. Consistency is key. I know, cliche, but consistency is key. If you're gonna post whenever you want, viewers are not going to, like, viewers, they want to know when you're gonna be posting. They want to know, oh, I subscribed to this person but she hasn't posted in like what, 5 months. Like, I don't think I want to subscribe to this person anymore. Like, I don't think she's putting out any more content. Like, I'm gonna unsubscribe. Like, what's the point of me subscribing? You know what I mean? So consistency is key. So let's say you're a very busy person, okay? You're not able to post every single day. That is fine, okay? That is fine. But make sure you are posting at least once a week. That is the least you can do, once a week. That's what I do though, because I'm a busy person. But the best thing that you can do is create a schedule, create a timetable for your YouTube channel. So let your viewers know when are you going to post. So let's say you decide to post 3 times a week, right? So make sure you let your viewers know that you're going to be posting on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday. So your viewers will be able to look forward to your content or to your videos because they already know when you're gonna be posting. You know what I mean? And make sure you follow the schedule that you created because your viewers are now looking forward to the days that you've set. So if you are not following your schedules, again, the viewers are gonna go, they're gonna unsubscribe. So make sure consistency, okay? Consistency is very, very important. YouTube is just really, really tough. So in order to make sure that you don't slack, you have to plan your content ahead. You have to have at least 50 or 100 video ideas before you even can get started. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't even have like 5 video ideas and I have a YouTube channel. But, you know. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is making money on YouTube, right? So everybody just wants to start YouTube because they want to make money on YouTube. And if you are one of those people who want to start YouTube channel because you want to make money, because you think YouTube pays good, like, I gotta tell you, that takes a long process. Okay, if you are starting from scratch, you're starting from zero, the money is gonna come maybe after a year or after 2 years. It is what it is. I said what I said. After a year or after 2 years. And that is if you are doing well on your YouTube channel. Some people start their YouTube channel and they go nowhere. Okay, and YouTube these days are quite tough because everybody just wants to be a YouTuber. You can go up to like 5-year-old kids and ask them, what do you want to be when you grow up? And literally they'll tell you, I want to be a YouTuber. And I'm just like, what? What? So it is not easy, guys. Like, everybody just wants to be a YouTuber, and YouTube is a bit tough these days. So you can't just start YouTube and start making money if that's what you think YouTube is. You at least gotta have 1,000 subscribers, okay? And you gotta have at least 4,000 hours watch time. That means you gotta have people watching your videos for 4,000 hours in total of all your content, if that makes sense. So all the videos that you put out on your YouTube channel have to add up to 4,000 hours of people watching it in the past 12 months. That is how difficult it is, and 4,000 hours is a lot of time. So if you're starting on YouTube to make money, I would reconsider. I would ask you to reconsider, because the money will come, but not just like that. Because you have to have the passion to start a YouTube channel, otherwise it's just gonna flop. It's gonna go nowhere. Okay, Okay, got that cleared off. Okay guys, so the next thing that we're gonna talk about is equipment. Okay, to start a YouTube channel, you obviously need something to start. So if you don't have a camera, I am currently using the Canon EOS 77D. If you don't have a camera, a DSLR, then you can start off with your phone. That is perfectly fine. Okay, as long as you can hear the audio in the video, as long as the video quality is somewhat watchable, post it. Okay, don't hesitate. Don't think about people who are going to talk about your YouTube channel, because you are the one that is going to be making the money. So let them talk. Okay, don't care about them. Okay, that is my advice. Don't be scared to post your video online. Unless you cannot take criticism, then don't even bother. Okay, so back to the equipment. What you're gonna be filming on is very important. Okay, you want to put out good quality content so that people will be able to enjoy your video. So you can start off by using your iPhone camera or your Android camera, whatever phone you're using. But if it's bad quality, I would suggest you getting a camera. A point and shoot camera is a good investment, or you can go straight to a DSLR, because a DSLR is multifunctional. You can use them for pictures, for videos, pretty much everything. So yeah, you can go ahead and look at your options. It's totally up to you what you want to get. And yeah, so that is for your filming device. So since you're doing like a music YouTube channel, you're gonna need like microphones and stuff. So I was thinking of doing like an equipment video later on, so I will not talk about mics and speakers and all that stuff in this video. So yeah, stay tuned for that equipment video. Is coming soon. Okay, so pretty much for equipment, you only need your camera and of course a tripod that is suitable for where you're trying to film, and then of course a ring light. You're gonna need artificial light. If you don't have the money to invest, you have to film at a good lighting. So make sure you are able to catch the natural daylight. The natural daylight is not always going to look good, because sometimes, you know, time changes and stuff like that, so the lighting may differ. But natural lighting is the best way to film. So if you don't want to invest in artificial lighting, you can definitely use the natural daylight, all free, all natural, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think that's basically all you need for equipment. Just a camera, some lighting, and you can literally start filming. And yeah, I think that is all you need to know before you start your YouTube channel. Just make sure you are starting YouTube for the right reasons and not for the money, because your channel is not gonna go anywhere if you're just starting off for the money. Let me repeat that again. I guess I'm just gonna conclude this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys can, you know, apply this to your upcoming music YouTube channel. So please let me know if you created a new music channel. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to check out you guys' content. And yeah, make sure to go watch all my how-to videos if you're struggling to know how to film or how to record your YouTube covers. I make videos and tutorials on that, so make sure to go watch them. I will put a playlist on top and in the description box. Also, go follow all my socials. All of them will be linked in the description box, so make sure to go follow me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to comment down below what kind of videos you guys want me to film. I will most likely film it, because your girl is out of ideas. So please let your girl know what you guys want to watch. And yeah, I guess that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest.